In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add leading zero in Google Sheets. If you've ever typed a zip code or an ID that starts with zero, you've probably watched that zero disappear the moment you press enter. That happens because Google Sheets assumes you're entering a number, and numbers don't display unnecessary leading zeros. The good news is you can control how those values appear. I'll show you a quick fix for a few entries, a reliable formatting approach for full columns, and a simple formula you can use when you want the sheet to do the work for you. First, the fastest fix for just a handful of entries. Add a single apostrophe before the number. So, type an apostrophe, then your value, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The apostrophe tells Sheets, treat this as text, which means the zeros stay exactly where you put them. You won't see the apostrophe in the cell once you press enter, but it will show in the formula bar. One tip: because the cell is text, it won't behave like a number in calculations, so use this when you only need to display the value as typed. Next, if you want to format a whole column so every value shows with leading zeros, use a custom number format. Select your range, open the Format menu, and choose Custom Number Format. In the box, type 5 zeros, like 00. This tells Sheets to always display 5 digits. If a cell contains 123, it will show as 00123. The underlying value remains numeric, so you can still sort and calculate. Adjust the count of zeros to match the exact length you need, and apply it to the entire column for consistent results. Finally, if you prefer a formula-based solution, use the text function. Enter a formula like HEL text A2 000 replacing A2 with your cell reference and setting the number of zeros to your desired width. This is great for cleaning up a list of IDs that vary in length. The text function outputs a text string that looks exactly the way you specify. If you need to use the formatted results elsewhere, you can copy and paste them as values after the formula does its job. And that's it. No more disappearing zeros. Use the apostrophe for quick one-off entries, custom number formats for entire columns while keeping values numeric, and text when you want a formula-driven, consistent display. Thanks for watching, and follow for more Google Sheets tips.